In this session, we'll learn how to register and search chemical materials using MMS module. MMS consists of register and search buttons. As you click register button, you can select material type of chemical, polymer, non-chemical, and mixture through independent registration window. Let's look at how to register a chemical material first. At the left side panel, you are able to check for duplication of chemicals in present MMS database. Redundancy is inspected by structure as well as various types of data such as general information, supplier, and catalog number, and so on. Let's search a chemical containing 10 carbons. Type C10 in formula field and then click search button. Hit list will appear in the right panel of the window. When clicking plus button, sample list will show up. If any redundant material is not found in the MMS database, click Add Material button at the bottom of the right panel. You can submit information of new material with 3 different ways. The first method is by drawing a chemical structure using a draw tool. Select a type of sketcher by right-clicking on blank structure window. Then select Current Sketcher menu. If you don't have any available sketcher, you may use Xorris JDraw for free. Another method is by importing a structure file of your chemical. The last method is using cost number. If you already know the cost number of your chemical, the material information can be found from Sample Material Library. The hit information will be automatically inserted. The Sample Material Library possesses information of chemical material, including cost number from Sigma Aldrich. Molecular weight and formula will be automatically computed according to its chemical structure. Enter additional material information and then click Save button. Next, we'll search in material information. Search Tools menu allows you to find material of interest based on its type. Let's click Chemical Search button. MMS takes multi-tier hierarchical data structure comprising material, sample, and property. Material may have several samples provided by different suppliers. Moreover, each sample may have its unique properties. Material carries a search tool using general information, structure, name, formula, and so on. In sample section, search can be done by project or supplier information. Samples of public projects are accessible to all users, and samples of particular project are available only to project members. Property section offers search by property name and quantitative value. Click Add button to append a new property query and then select Conductivity property. It searches all materials having conductivity information. If you change type to value, it searches specific quantitative value of conductivity. Switch operator to range. Type in the value of from 1 to 10 millisiemens and then click the search button. Hit list is displayed in Chemical List window. It shows chemical materials containing conductivity property of 1 to 10 millisiemens. Once you double-click any material name in the list window, Chemical View window is automatically opened. You may inspect and edit material information. Material section displays general information. When you click one sample, Property section is opened in the bottom of window. Here you can find conductivity property of 2.5 millisiemens, which confirms that the search query of from 1 to 10 millisiemens is satisfied. To add a new sample, click Add button in the Sample panel. Add Sample panel appears in the right side of the window. First, select project where the sample is included. Since every sample is associated with a project, Sample information will be visible only to project members. If you have project saved as public, all users have access to the material information of it. Select a supplier from the drop-down list and enter a catalog number. To save new sample information, click Save button. To add analyzed data for a sample, for example, MSDS or spectrum data, select the sample first and click plus button. Add Analysis panel is opened in the right side of window. Select Type of Analysis and then Attach File using File Search button. The attached file will be linked to the sample. To add a property of each sample, select the sample first and click Add button in Property panel. Property List and Add Property panel appear in the right side of the window. Check the property that you want to add in and then click Select button. You may enter additional property information too. As clicking Save button, property list will be updated. For each property, you can add analysis file in the same way as sample analysis. Report menu creates reporting sheets of material information. Select a file format to save and then click the Export button. Likewise, you can add specific materials or samples to a cart, create various types of reports, and export to an Excel file. Select Materials and Samples in Search List window, and then click Add Cart button. To open Cart window, click View Cart button. In the Setting panel of left side, select items you want to put in a report, including property. Click Preview button. Report table is created in the right panel. It can be saved as a Microsoft Excel file as well. To include material images, choose Image Included option. Otherwise, choose Image Not Included option to save data alone. Unzip the saved cart.zip file and open the Excel file in it. You can see the material structure and information. Clicking hyperlink of name and analysis delivers you to the folder which contains structure file and analysis data file. By now, we have learned how to register and search chemical materials and make a report and cart for future analysis. Thank you.